Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about the circle. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the circle in here. Question number 1. If MB is 30 centimeters long and the radius of the circle is 18 centimeters, what is the length of JK? So now I will show you how to answer. We know that J is about the center of the circle. So from J to B, that is about the radius. So we know that the radius is about 18. We know MB is about 30. So this radius divide MB into a half. So we have 30 divided by 2. So this should be about 15. So look on this one. This is about a right triangle. So we want to find JK. We can apply about Pythagorean theorem. So we have JB is about 18. So we have 18 square in here equals to 15 square plus JK square. So we put this one go to the left. So we calculate about this number in here. You got about 99. So we put the square root for the both sides. We simplify this number in here and we got 3 multiplied by the square root of number 11, and this is the value we need to find in here. Now let's go to question number 2. What is the length of the radius if JK is 7 centimeters and MP is 26? Now we have JK is about number 7, MP we have 26, but we can calculate a half of them by 26 divided by 2. You got about 13. So we put number 13 in here. The radius that's about JB in here. So we apply the same technique we just do. That's about Pythagorean theorem. So we will have about 7 square plus 13 square equal to JB square. We calculate the number in here. We got about 218. We put the square root for the both sides. And this one we got about approximate 14.76 centimeters, and this is the value we need to find in here. Question number 3. How long is the radius of the circle? If MK is 17, JK is about 7, So we have MK, that's about 17, and JK is about 7. We apply the same formula we just do in here. That's about Pythagorean theorem. So we will have about 17 square plus 7 square equal to mj square. We calculate about this one, and we got about 338. So we put the square root for the both sides. So we got 13 with the square root of number 2 centimeters. And this is the value we need to find in here. Now we go question number 4. Given MB is 8 centimeters, what is the shortest distance of the chord from the center if the radius is 3 multiplied by the square root of number 5 centimeters? So now I will show you how to answer. We know that MB is about the chord in here. The shortest distance they want to find, that's it in here. So we have the radius is about this one. So we just apply the same technique we just do. That's about Pythagorean theorem. So we have MB, MK, they have the same too. So MB, we have 8. So we divide by 2. So that should be about number 4. The radius is about this number in here. So they want to find JK. We have MK, that's about 4 square. 3 square root of number 5 to the power of 2. So we put this one going here. We have 29. So we put the square root for the both sides. We got this value in here. Now we go to question number 5. If the length of MK equals to 3s plus 11 and segment KB equals to 5s minus 7. So we know that MK equal to KB. So we have 3s plus 11 equal to 5s minus 7. So we can find the value of s. So we put 3s go to the right, negative number 7 go to the left. So we will have 11 plus 7 equal to 5s minus 3s. This one you got about 18. And we have 2s. So we divide both sides by number 2. And we got about 9. So they want to find MK. MK, we just put number 9 in here. So 3 multiplied by 9 plus 11, we got 38. This one, we put number 9 in here. So you got about 38 again. We know that MB, that's about MK plus KB. And we have 38 plus 38. and we got the final answer. That's about 76. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.